Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learning English is Easy. I'm Tom, and today we're going on a trip together. Not a long trip, not an expensive trip, but a fun English trip, because our theme today is transportation.
Hi, everyone. I'm Anna. Yes, today we're talking about buses, trains, taxis, metros, bicycles, cars, planes, and all the ways we move from one place to another.
And before we start this journey, don't forget to subscribe, like this episode, and share it with someone who wants to improve their English. Your support really helps us.
And remember, your efforts will pay off. Every time you listen and practice, your English becomes stronger, clearer, and more natural. Even small moments of practice help a lot.
So, today we're going to learn simple, useful English sentences for transportation. You'll hear easy dialogues and common questions you can use when you travel.
Let's start easy. Transportation vocabulary is very important for beginners. We use these words every day. Bus, train, taxi, car, subway, metro, tram, bicycle, scooter, airplane, airport, station, stop.
All very common words, and many of them sound similar in different languages, which is great.
So let's imagine we're starting our day. We want to go somewhere, maybe to work, maybe to school, maybe to a cafe to drink a nice cappuccino.
I choose the cappuccino. That sounds better than work.
Yes, but let's pretend we're going to work today. How do we get there?
First, maybe by bus. The bus is very popular in big cities, so let's start with bus English.
When you go to the bus stop, there are a few important questions. For example, which bus goes to the city center?
Or, does this bus go to the station?
Two very helpful questions for beginners.
And when the bus arrives, you can ask the driver, does this bus stop at the museum? Or, is this the bus for the airport?
Simple structure. Does this bus? It works for everything.
You can also ask other passengers, is this the right bus? That's a great survival sentence.
And at the end of the ride, you might ask, where do I get off? Or, can you tell me when we reach the station?
Very useful if the place is new for you.
And don't forget the magic words, one ticket, please? Or, how much is a ticket?
Yes, and if you pay on the bus, you can say, here you go, and if they give you change, say, thank you. Let's practice a short dialogue.
Excuse me, does this bus go to the airport?
Yes, it does.
Great. How much is a ticket?
£2.50.
Here you go.
Thank you. Perfect. That's a real conversation you can use anywhere.
Now, let's talk about trains. Many people prefer trains because they're fast and comfortable.
Train English is also very useful. At the station, you can say, where is platform 4? Or, which platform for the train to London?
Or, what time is the next train?
If you want to buy a ticket, you can say, a ticket to Manchester, please. Or, one way or return.
One way means single trip. Return means round trip.
You can also ask, is this seat taken? If you're on the train and you see a seat you want.
And if someone is sitting there, they may say, yes, sorry. Or, no, go ahead.
Another common sentence is, does this train stop at Oxford?
Yes, that phrase works for every station in the world.
Now, let's practice a train conversation. Hi, which platform for the train to Brighton?
Platform 2.
Thank you. What time does it leave?
At 10:15.
Perfect. I need one ticket, please.
Sure. One way or return?
Return, please.
See? Super simple.
Next, let's travel by taxi. Taxis are great, but you need key English phrases. For example, could you take me to the airport?
Or, Can you take me to this address? While showing the driver your phone.
You can also say, how long does it take? Or how much is the ride? If you want the driver to stop at a specific place, you can say, you can stop here, or this is fine, thank you.
And don't forget to say thank you at the end. Taxi drivers appreciate that.
Now let's practice a taxi dialogue.
Taxi, could you take me to the station?
Sure. Do you have a time preference?
As fast as possible, please.
No problem. Simple and polite. Next, the metro or subway. Many big cities use metro systems.
At the entrance, you might need a ticket. You can say, I need a ticket, or where can I buy a ticket?
Inside the metro station, you can ask, which line goes to the center? Or, do I need to change trains?
Change trains means switching lines.
Another useful question is, how many stops until Central Station?
And if you aren't sure, ask a local. Is this the train to Central Station?
Let's try a metro conversation.
Excuse me, which line goes to the museum?
Take the blue line.
Do I need to change?
Yes, at River Station.
Thank you.
Excellent. Now, let's talk about bicycles. Many people use bikes today. They're healthy and eco-friendly.
If you rent a bicycle, you can say, I would like to rent a bicycle. Or, how long can I rent it for?
If you want safety gear, do you have a helmet? And if there are problems, you can say, the brakes are not working, or I have a flat tire.
A flat tire is very common. Every bicycle has drama from time to time.
Cars next. Many people drive or rent cars. Car English is important.
If you want to rent a car, you can say, I'd like to rent a car. Or, do you have automatic cars?
Yes, driving an automatic car is easier for many people.
You can also ask, is insurance included? Or, where can I return the car?
If you're driving and need directions, you can say, how do I get to the city center? Or, is this the road to the airport? Many helpful phrases.
Now let's talk about airports and airplanes. Very important for travel.
Yes, at the airport check-in desk, you can say, I have a reservation, or I'd like to check in, please.
The staff might ask, do you have a passport?
You can answer, yes, here it is.
They may ask, do you have bags to check in?
You can say, yes, one bag, or no, just carry on.
Carry-on means your small bag you bring with you on the plane.
Then comes security. You might hear laptop out of the bag, liquids in the tray, shoes off.
After security, you go to your gate. You can ask, where is gate 14? Or, what time does boarding start?
Boarding means entering the plane.
On the plane, you can ask, is this seat taken? Or, can I sit here?
You can also ask the flight attendant, could I have some water? Or, do you have headphones?
Great travel English.
Now let's talk about delays. Sometimes trains, buses, or flights are late.
You can ask, why is the train delayed? Or, how long is the delay?
Or, when will the bus arrive? For flights, is the flight on time?
Now, let's talk about asking directions in general. Sometimes transportation involves finding the right place.
You can say, how do I get to the station? Or, which bus goes to the center? Or, is it far?
If you walk, ask, how long is the walk? Or, is it safe to walk?
Beginners can travel anywhere with these sentences.
Now, let's practice long dialogues to help our listeners.
Let's start with a bus scene.
Excuse me, does this bus go to the university?
No, you need bus number 12.
Where is the stop for number 12?
Across the street.
Great, thank you.
Now, a train scene. Hi, a ticket to Oxford, please.
One way or return?
Return, please.
Platform 3. The train leaves in 10 minutes.
Thanks a lot. Now, a taxi scene.
Could you take me to the museum?
Of course.
How long does it take?
About 15 minutes.
Great, thank you.
Now, a metro scene. Is this the train to Central Station?
Yes, it is.
Do I need to change?
No, stay on this line. Now an airport scene. I'd like to check in, please.
Do you have your passport?
Yes, here it is.
Do you have bags to check?
One bag.
Your gate is B12.
Thank you.
Simple and realistic. Perfect for beginners.
Now let's practice giving directions. Excuse me, how do I get to the station?
Go straight, then turn left.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Let's try another. Excuse me, is the airport far?
About 20 minutes by taxi.
Thanks.
Now, imagine Tom and I are traveling together and trying different transports.
Let's pretend we want to go to the beach. Anna, how do we get to the beach?
We can take the bus or the tram. The tram is faster.
Good. Which tram?
Number 3.
Okay, let's go.
Now we're at the tram stop. Do we need tickets?
Yes, a ticket is €2.
Here you go. After arriving at the beach, we want food, but we need to ask for directions again. Excuse me, is there a restaurant near here?
Yes, just 5 minutes on foot.
Maybe later we want to rent bicycles. Do you rent bicycles?
Yes, €10 for 1 hour.
And if there's a problem, excuse me, my bike has a flat tire.
No problem, we can change it. In every travel situation, simple English helps so much.
And the more you listen to these conversations, the more natural they become.
And remember, listeners, your English does not need to be perfect for travel. People will understand you.
Yes, even if your pronunciation is not perfect, communication still works.
The most important thing is confidence and simple sentences.
And that confidence grows with practice.
You're improving every time you listen, repeat, or say one sentence out loud.
And we're very proud of you. So, before we finish, let's teach a few last transportation phrases.
I missed the bus.
When is the next train?
Is this seat free?
Can you call a taxi?
Where is the bus stop?
Is it far from here?
I need a ticket.
How long does it take to get there?
Which line is this?
Do I need to change buses?
Perfect survival English.
Now, we hope you enjoyed traveling with us today.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this episode.
And tell us in the comments, what transportation do you use in your city? Bus, train, bike, metro?
We love reading your answers from around the world.
Thank you for listening today.
Keep practicing
Keep learning.
and keep believing in yourself.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.